No. Holy shit. Oh god. This cat better not get inside the house. Oh Jesus. I think it went in the garage. Oh my god. Jesus. Better not be open or not. Holy shit. Oh god. No fucking cat. Oh my god. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh fuck. I thought the cat just got in the garage, man. Holy shit. Fucking Jesus. Baby, no fucking cat. Oh. Oh no, the cat better not get in the house. Hey, puss. Hey, puss. Oh, Jesus. I didn't see no cat. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ. Oh. I don't think the cat's in there. I think the cat's gone. Jesus Christ. Baby, no cat, guys. I don't see a cat. No, it's not there. Oh. Cat didn't got inside my house, thank God for that. Oh, Jesus. I was about to hop in the car going to 7-Eleven, and I thought that there was a cat inside the car. Fuck. Jesus fucking Christ. I was like, got in the car, and I looked at the mirror, and I saw this cat there. It was running up, and then like the cat's over there. It was running up, and I thought it went in the garage, and I think it apparently jumped over the fence. Oh, shit. I was lucky, guys.